How to fix microphone static noise in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Outdated or corrupt drivers can cause static noise. Updating them ensures that the microphone is compatible with the latest system updates and operates efficiently. Find and expand the audio inputs and outputs section. Right-click on the listed audio device, then select Update Driver from the drop-down. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, incorrect microphone settings in Windows can lead to static noise. Adjusting these settings can optimize microphone performance. Test the microphone to see if the static noise is reduced. If that didn't work, Windows has a built-in tool to diagnose and fix common problems with connected devices, including microphones. If that didn't work, sound enhancements can interfere with microphone performance. Disabling them can reduce static noise. Right-click your default playback device, like speakers, and choose Properties. Navigate to the Enhancements tab. Check Disable all enhancements or disable all sound effects. Click Apply, then OK. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.